guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're opening giftems. They're a serious one. These, which one is it? This is Argentina, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, Argentina, Buenos Aires. The girl is from Buenos Aires.
And this one is from Portugal,
Yeah.
Lisboa.
Yeah, from Lisbon or Lisboa.
And a little mystery.
Yeah, it's a mystery door. And they, gift them is what? Gift of friendship.
84 to collect, and they can also be at. They can also have a bus that we have too. That we're gonna.
Yeah, the
open
bus.
it.
You mean? You want to see the bus? You want to have a preview of the bus?
Let's give them to.
Yeah, let's take a preview. Oh, that's a big bus, which can carry 20 girls, and take them.
I can also be sick now. I just took my medicine.
Yeah, you are sick now. You're a little bit sick. Have you taken your medicine yet?
Yes, I just took my medicine. Now let's open it. These packages are opening like this.
Yeah, it's quite easy to
That's the best
unpack.
way to open the packages and to give them. You have flyer. You look at the flyer.
Yeah, this is a serious
Let's
one.
look for these giftems and also mix and match.
That's mean
So
you can
you can
change the
also-
head, right?
Tear it apart. I just tear the hair.
Ah.
Look, she has no hair. Let me put her. Oh no, baby is crying. Ignore the baby, okay? Don't even ignore the baby. Okay, don't care about the baby. Okay. Okay, this is Portugal and the beach because it's broken. Now let's open the mystery one.
Portugal. Have you ever been to Portugal?
I have been only once.
Yeah, you have been to Portugal once. Lisboa. You have been to Lisboa, Porto, and Azores.
Why is it in a bag? We have another doll. You can take her hair out.
Yeah, where's she from? Where's she from?
She is from. I don't know what that's from.
Let me see. Take it.
Okay, wait. I can take
Give it to me and then I
it
can.
out. Do like this.
Thailand.
Thailand. She's from
Yeah,
Thailand.
You have to say
She can
Sawadee
take
Cup.
off her head. Either you can take off her head, take off everything.
You can say Sawadee
Take
Cup.
off.
Sawadee Ka.
So it's cat. Okay, let's put her hair back on.
Oh, you kill her.
No, he can be like this. That girl, you can take her head right, put the pants off, and take the body off either.
Oh, intruder.
Get out, intruder. I told you to get out, intruder. Okay. Cameraman, help me give a peek.
This is what? Oh, Thailand. This is Thai. She's a Thai.
Put her back inside.
Yeah, put her in a coffin. No coffin.
Are you crazy? Crazy baby. Okay, let's open the other one now. Where is she from?
Argentina.
Argentina. Is Argentina even a country?
Yes, Argentina, of course, is a country in South America.
Oh no, her hair.
Argentina is a ABC country in South America. You know ABC?
Yeah.
A stands for Argentina, B stands for Brazil, C stands for
Look,
Chile.
Guys.
It's an Argentina girl.
She's so pretty. Now let's open the Argentina box. What is that?
Oh, we forgot the background music. This doesn't matter. Now we turn it on. Argentina, let me take a look at the box.
It's Rainbow World.
Yeah.
Let me let her stand in here. That's her stage. Guys.
Good.
Now bye-bye. I can do like this and snap it right back. Make her stay in the box.
Forever.
Not forever.
You need a magic word to open it, right?
No, I don't say anything and I open it. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.